and play with, see how it turned out for us. I'm not sure, Sarah might go live later. We're working on really cool plans right now. So both me and Sarah were so busy, but we can't wait to share with you. We're gonna have one day that me and Sarah's will be streamed together, and we're gonna go to all different sort of products. I'm excited. So we're gonna definitely get more information by tomorrow. Please stay tuned for that. So if you want this, you doing it like a thinner, you pick up your weaver gel. The less pick up weaver gels, a thinner your design is gonna look. Okay, so I'm gonna flash cue this one and see how it turned out for us. Really cool. All right. Hi Danielle. Hey, how are you, sweetie? Yeah, 30 seconds. All right, so quick 30 seconds. And also I really obsessed with this set. The number 34 is the gold transfer foils. I might using one of this for our design as well. It's like a vise there, and there's so many of them. We did one of the videos with this. I think Sarah did this as well. Is really excited, can't wait. There's so many to play with. Just give you a little bit of background, and we'll see. Okay, so I have that one. I told Sarah earlier, I sent her a picture. I said, Sarah, I love it. We're going to do something like this, but we have so many thousands of ideas. And say, okay. I said, cool, okay, Nancy. All right, maybe I will do that. Can you see it? Ooh, there's so many different ways to do this. I want to do a crystal along with that as well. Okay, my scissors. Super cute. Dress it up with the crystal placements. Really cool and simple. I can't wait to see your beautiful work. I think Sarah, this sticker is on your way as well. So I'm so excited. I can't wait to see Sarah's will be create something fun with that as well. So I am going to using condensed glue gel. There's not only to adhere really awesome so crystals, flat back 3D chain charms, also will really great to encapsulating your stickers, encapsulating your glitter if you are using a gel polish. So I'm gonna give it a little bit more. Just thinking of that. I can feel the texture of my weaver gel. So I'm gonna apply like good, generous enough amount of condensed glue gel, but not too thick, not too thin. Too thick is gonna flood your crystal. Too thin is not gonna adhere properly. So if you're first time using this, just give it yourself like a couple times, you'll really like nail it. So I am going to using a no wipe top coat. So this is the second step from a 3-step method between unclear condensed glue gels and no wipe top coat will help grip the base of the crystal, charm or changes. This one is gonna look cool if you frame that too. I was thinking that an idea we can frame that as well. What did you do with this? Something mixing. All right. Hi Maya, hey April, hey Rafe about nails, hey, hi Fire, hello, thank you so much for tuning in. Yes, the nail bar, do you clean your brush usually? Yes, I do clean. I wipe it off with paper towel. Do not leave all the residues of the glue gels on it, because as it's gonna really drying up and building up, and I'm gonna stick on the cap, inside the cap of your brush. It will might, you know, like get damaged and make all your bristle, the hair just go in different directions. So you want to make sure you clean it first. I really want to play with this one. Can I get another tray, please? On my picker. Thank you. So sometimes it gets too many. Oh, I have a great ideas as well. Okay, let me go. And try this one. Sorry. How's everyone doing today? It's Monday. I got to see everyone yesterday as well, so so excited, and then today get to see you again. Sarah might go live later. Well, not sure. She's gonna let us know. Because I'm so excited, stunning that every time I got to see Sarah doing her beautiful work. I believe I'm using this is a size SS8. But then when you get this, is gonna be like a mixed size already for you, which is I love it. I'm an OCD person too, but sometimes it's mixed like this is great because it gives me a lot of variety of option that of what I can do. If I want to do smaller, I can. I don't have to get 1,000 jar in order to get like different sizes I want. So I'm go ahead and using my gold beads because it's a gold theme. So you can do silver as well. I think silver was standing out too. Just it depends. It's a theme, but then it depends on if you want it. This extra. There you go. Hi Rosie, hi Brad, hi Chichang, how are you? Thanks you everyone for tuning in today. Hope you have a fabulous Monday. I'm so thrilled and excited because me and Sarah got to be streams on Wednesday. We're gonna do showing all different cool products, and it's gonna be it's gonna be something excited. So if you get the spare moments tuning in with us, we wanna give more information shortly. We're preparing it for it, and it's gonna be a great stream.
Baby? Yes, live I say hi, chị.
Hi, chị. Live as you say am.
Yep, she learned that over the weekend.
Oh, nice. Nice, live rat. Awesome.
Yep, so by next week she know the whole Vietnamese. That'd be awesome.
That would be awesome. That would be awesome, live rat. I can send you some like sentence too, so you can practice too. I would love to learn more like languages. It's gonna be fun. All right.
Ready to share?
Nope.
No?
Not yet.
No blinging up?
Keep blinging. Might as well, because I already here, and let's see how far we can go. You know what I should do is like, it's just a great idea because this is such a really kind of fun, trendy brand stickers that you can play with. And I will do the other ones is cool as well. It's just to give an idea, you can absolutely get a line which is the holo gold lines on it. It's cool as well. Like, keep in mind you can change this to different, like you can change it to like more of yellow crystals, or you can do more like just on like amber. So however you prefer, I think you'll come up with something that's really stunning. I can't wait to see your beautiful work. All right. So keep finishing this because I think I like that.
Yep, and Keisha no bằng ngoại.
Oh, Keisha bằng ngoại is grandma. Is that right? Oh, Keisha, awesome.
She spelled a little bit differently, though. So good. We get it.
Hey, Sophia. Hey, love. How are you, Em? All right, here's something that I love, and then some of my clients love it as well. I'll share with you. If you want to make some kind of crystal chains like this, a lot of clients love it if they are like not willing to just do a chains only, not because they don't want to. I think because they want a chains and then they want a crystal too. So you can put the crystal lie up like this, and then you place whatever beads that in their theme, like between the crystals. So when you finish all this, it looks like a chain, but it's not like a plain chain. I don't know, I love those chains. But if the clients want, oh Nancy, I want more than a chains, I want crystals, then you can line them up like this and then put the beads in between. Or you can place a frame too and place the beads as well. So then they can have like the chains and then the crystal. It look like a chains, crystal chains, whatever you want to call. So much to play with. All right, if you're happy with this, maybe I'll put one more in the middle. Okay, what the heck? We put this one in here. One more beads right there. But you know what? This one looks good if you frame them though. Okay, before you cure, make sure you check all of them. This is really a cool, simple, easy, basics way for anyone can absolutely achieve this look. You can change a different look. You can change to the AB if you want like really fond of AB. You can just really change to the AB and change it to different color. It's gonna give it different look. So I am going to cure this one for 60 seconds.